morning, my beautiful people, as the Gasca would say. Or Ape Trace. Ape Trace says that too. And I'm falling asleep. Good morning, Kellis. Never mind, he changed it up this time. He changed it up this time. Unknown 101, let's go on YouTube. Come on. Who's ready to make some. Oh, I gotta mute myself over here. Who's ready to work as a team again today and nail entries as a team collectively to make money together as a team collectively? All right, I got man. This market has definitely picked up. This market has definitely picked up because now there's like 5, 6 gappers every morning now, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Good morning, Urban Trades. Good morning, Urban. All right, so GRNA is my number one. Not my number one. My number one stock. My number one gapper. But let me see what it looks like. It's another crazy one. I mean, it's at $6 now, but it reached 12.66. It actually pulled back right to that 200. Oh frick! I need to fix this. There we go. Crypto Wire. Good morning, crypto. So this stock has gone all the way up to 12.66 already, and right now it's consolidating at $6. $6 is way down here. That's pretty low. Okay, so that one might be giving all of its gains back. And NVC. And NVC looks like it popped all the way up to 200 moving average, which is 277. Oh wait, no, that was yesterday. That's right. So we've already squeezed the 200 moving average on this one. We're up to 437. So 437 right there. Okay, and this one has highs of 786, but we do have a lot of resistance here at 5. First is going to be 5, but then after that it's going to be like 560s. Good morning, Edwards. Good morning, Jims. So first one was GRNA. Okay. GRNA has given most of its gains back, so it's not the lookiest, not the best looking chart, but I'll put it on the side just in case. And NVC, we have moved through the 200 moving average, so this thing can go. This thing has room through 5 to 560s, and if momentum's picking up, I mean 786 is highs. We got XCUR. This one is at $5, and $5 looks like a flat top here on the daily. Didn't even reach $5. It reached 465. But $5 looks strong on this one too, so that would be our next play on this one, from 460 to $5. But that chart looks better. We are below VWAP, but QNRX. QNRX was yesterday's play. I missed this completely. I'll tell you guys my whole experience yesterday. SOPA, my number one stock today. I'll look at it. I'll tell you guys my whole experience yesterday. But this one's gonna be moving fast. This is a fast moving stock again. This is like PGY, right? Now you're not taking 1,000, 1,500 shares. You're taking a couple of hundred shares, less than 300, 500, right? I mean, for me, if you take 500 shares here and it moves to there, that's still $500 trade. That's a whole dollar move. So this one's gonna be risky. Let me see. SOPA was my next one. Okay, SOPA looks good. I think a lot of you guys are saying SOPA is you guys' number one stock. What is the daily look on SOPA? I've traded this stock so many times before. So 277 is our high. Where is that 200 moving average? Where is that 200 moving average? Does it not have one? Why do I not have 200 moving average on this thing? Okay, well we're at 277 up here. Next pivots on this thing could be $3, so 298 I see on here. Yeah, I don't have one either. That's weird. So $3, and then after that, 382. So sopa looking nice. Sopa soup, some soup, some taco soup. Okay, BRSH. Another IPO? Are you kidding me? Well, you already know this one's gonna rip. You got it at 1088 for sopa? Yeah, I didn't have one. That's weird. Okay, well, look at this, guys. We got another IPO. You know, every IPO recently has gone through the roof. Heck, you don't even know if this one might even go up to $2,500 a share, right? It's possible. Right now is your ticket to become rich. It's $3. $3. It'll go up to 2,500 shares a share. Just kidding. Don't buy everything. We gotta look at it first. But this one does look good. Let me see. It took me forever to figure out how to only record audio from Spotify, so Juan's voice won't be in my recordings. Nice. By the way, guys, I do encourage you guys to record your trades. Ape Trade started recording his whole trading session. And even yesterday, he was like, "Hey, look, check this out, man. You can see all my trades." And I went back and I was like, "Okay, I like it, I like it, I like it." But if you ever have a question, if you ever want me to review a trade, that's a quick way to me to look at it and say, "Hey, look at this. Hey, look at that." You know. So Sopa is having a nice little pullback. You got the pullback down to a 250s. 250 could be a good bounce on Sopa. And then watching your what app do you guys use to record? OBS Studio. I was gonna say if you guys do want to record your trades, it is completely free. Like you don't have to pay anything, and the software doesn't really use a lot of computer stuff. So it's this program here, OBS. All you have to do is go online and type in OBS, and then download it. And I do have a video on YouTube, Urban Trades. I know you're asking about it. Go to my YouTube channel, and I do have a video on YouTube on how to record yourself, how to record your trades. I go over the whole thing and how to add the scenery and all that stuff. Good morning, Lang. Welcome to that Tradecaster team finally. Sopa, that was a nice little bounce there. So Sopa is curling back up to highs. Dang, we have 8 minutes till Mike. Yeah, Urban. And let me know if you need any help with it, right? I mean, it's really, really simple. Like, if it's something that you really don't understand for now, I literally hop on a Discord meeting or something with you and show you in like 5 minutes how to set it up. And then all you have to do is literally every morning, right here, instead of clicking start streaming, all you do is start recording, and that's it. It starts recording, and then when you're done, you click stop recording, and then it automatically saves it. It even tells you where you saved it to your computer. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And obviously, you don't want to keep holding those videos every single time, right? Like, watch them that same day, watch your trades again, keep them for a week, and after that, you can let them go. Or delete them, I mean. And then also, if something ever happens where your broker messed up, that's the only reason that saved me that one time. My broker messed up. There was an actual glitch in the system, and it happened live, and I lost like $4,000 or $4,000 or something like that. And I was like, that was not my fault. 1,000% that was not my fault. And so I called them, and they didn't want to do anything. They did not want to do anything until I was like, look, I have people watching me. I have this recorded. They all know it wasn't me, and I need you guys to watch this video and then tell me afterwards what you think. And the second they saw the video, they're like, you're right, and they gave me the money back. So no, it does not like performance. Oh, Ape's already answered it. Yeah. Good morning, Andres. Morning, Andres. Welcome in here. Yeah, it does not lag at all. Yeah. So it'll help you watch yourself trade. It'll help you in case something happens, and then yeah, you know. Okay, we got 5 minutes. Sense was another stock that I'm watching here. How does Sense look like? Any of you guys were watching Sense? It almost looks like Sense is putting up a 5 minute flag right now. Down here at 197-ish. Maybe this one wants to crawl back up again. So I'm going to start putting alerts on everything. You guys know I do this. So stock for the open could be SOPA. SOPA's having a nice pivot here of that 250 area. Even if it drops down to like 247-ish, I might be interested in SOPA. Thank you, Ape Trace. Everybody look at that as well. For Mega is the app software. And then you can also send the link to somebody else, and they could see the same videos that you've uploaded there. That's what Ape Trades did. So he was like, "Hey, look, I recorded my session. I uploaded it here." And he sent me the link. He was like, "Check it out." And I just watched it. And obviously, I'm not sitting there watching the whole 2 hour video he sent me of his trading. But I kind of fast forwarded until I saw his P&L changing and looked at his trades, and I was like, "Oh, pretty cool, pretty good." I had some questions, Ape Trades. I was like, bro, you bought the resumption twice on two halts. I was like, wait a second, what are you doing, bro? But it worked out, bro. It worked out. And he doesn't usually do that. I asked him, I was like, nah, just that one time. I was like, okay, cool, cool, cool. Because I've never done that. Just as soon as everything on halts or a stock on halts, just buy it immediately. I was like, wait a second, bro. Okay, SOPA, good stock to look opening. SOPA. Next one, which was my second one at best. I'm gonna put KNRX up here with an alert. GRNA. This one gave a lot back, and that's pretty volatile, so not that one. This one, no. Where's the? This one's at 437. So this one did move to the 200 moving average already. So this one's not that bad. NNVC. Keep an eye on NNVC. So NNVC, we got to get over VWAP. Got to get over that pivots here of like 375. Which is the X core is not bad. I do have that one there. SOPA's number one probably. This one, BRSH, the IPO. Just because it's an IPO and we know what the trend is recently, right? I'm gonna watch this one carefully as well. Even had a nice pivot down there at 277 and had a nice little 5 minute flag down there at 266 earlier, right here. That was pretty good. Check APDN. 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 APDN trying to crawl back up. APDN still has a high of 697 that we never hit on a daily. Of course, it could have a bigger high, but this is all I see. Yeah. So in the last year, 697 is the next high. Well, actually, 640 first, and then 697. Mersa, good morning, Mersa. How are you today, man? Doing a little better. Anybody taking pre-market trades already? Did anybody already jump in pre-market? SOPA already wants that new high. SDT99, good morning, man. YouTube, my YouTube people, how are you guys doing? Jesse, are you in here? I see D-Dog. What happened? I haven't had a chance to look at it. They destroyed earnings, it looks like. They were expecting negative something, and they came out like positive 25 cents or whatever it is. I haven't looked at it that much. Hamster K, good morning. Good morning. You like the 683 level on NVIV? That's a different one. NVIV. Oh my gosh, dude. These stocks are just so volatile. Like, I hadn't even seen this stock. LOL. YouTube people couldn't be me. It ain't you no more. You've graduated. You've passed. You've advanced to the next level, Lang. We're about to go live in 10 seconds. This one does look interesting too, those ape trades. You like 683. 683 though. Oh, for support. Oh, I see what you're saying. We'll see. We'll see if it holds its volume. Because a lot of these are just going to dump. Sopa's probably going to hit a high right off the gate. Yep. This one's going to come out strong, and it's going to want $3 already. I'm watching Sopa just right out of the gates, opening up for new highs. Only thing I'm going to look at is a bounce of 280 for a $3 test. But it's a 1 minute open. These things can go red to green or green to red so fast. Yep, just like that. I am no longer interested in SOPA. They always do that red to green or green to red move. It might come up and squeeze, but there goes BRSH, that IPO stock, trying to make a little bit of a move there. SOPA, this is why I don't chase that first minute open most of the times. 99.9999999% of the times I will not chase that first minute open, even if it's green. I will always wait for that second candle to close to first candle close high, second candle dip or something like that, but never chase that first one. BRSH. BRSH. Jesse, guess people just took profit because they knew it beat. It'll pick back up though. They beat earnings 60%. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Brenda, morning spikes are scary. Yeah. So this is that IPO. I'm gonna keep a close watch on this IPO here. Once again, like yesterday, I'm still gonna follow my rules. Still going to follow my rules and not jump into anything stupid. Not going to jump in big share size on breakouts. Here goes SOPA again. SOPA trying another, now a green to red move, or red to green move now. Recovering back up to this 280 level. So now I want to see if this 280 level holds and does give us that next push to that $3 test. We're holding this 280 level here, which was the previous pre-market high. So I want to see if this level holds here. We did a opening green candle, but then we flushed down and it looks like we recovered it all. We've recovered it all and we're back up to this pivot up here. I'm fully out of that SOPA play. It was just a small little hit, bounce of that 280, took $116 profit real quick. I was watching that 280, right? I said earlier, bounce of 280. We didn't get it. We ripped up higher. Now this time we did bounce off of it, so I took a small scalp there. Nothing looks great set up yet. Keep an eye on. Yep, I'm learning. Tesla looks like it'll do a red to green new high, I bet. I'm not looking at Tesla anymore. But I want to say I'm not chasing anything so much now, and I want to average in bigger on the dips. So we're trying to find those 5 minute setups, higher probability, bigger move setups instead of chasing everything down up at the highs. This is a nice 1 minute flag here on SOPA though. So watch this curl back up through these levels here. APDN forming trend line. Okay, Amir, I'll take a look at it real quick. Watching SOPA for high of day and maybe for a $3 break. So breaking out of this flag here. Still watching SOPA here. We're trying to break this new high. Trying to get to $3. We're looking for a $3 test, 295. Small little dip here that's going to get bought up to 295 again. I lost on that exit there. Still looking for this move here to tap $3. I only have 500 shares left. Sniper Trace probably has an order entry at 301 on this one now. So if we get to this $3, we'll enter 301. There he is. There he is. You already know. We already know our sniper traits. So 301 entry can get a squeeze through $3, and that is what we're looking for. I'm anticipating that break. He's going to be ready for that break to squeeze shorts out and get a nice move. Here we go. Here we go. Can we break through it? 295 looking to triple top. Looks pretty strong up here. So I got a scratch trade on that thing. All crypto names are going. Mara and Riot probably should be watched today. Okay. We gotta watch. Let me see. Is Bitcoin going back up again? So that'll be NVIV. There's that level I called exactly. Oh, 686. You did miss it by like 3 cents. Crazy. All right, SOPA. Even though it's at highs here, if this doesn't break that 295, we might be forming a 5-minute flag, and this would be pretty good if we pop that back down kind of and hold these up. Never mind. Here it goes. $3 hit, but 301 has not yet, right? If we get through $3, we might get a squeeze. We might get a squeeze through $3. I do have a little order right above 3 at 301, which is not going to hit. Well, maybe. I'll take a look at those right after this play, Zach. We're still looking for SOPA through 3. Nope, I'm going to cancel that order. Okay. That is why we pick a penny higher than the whole number, right? Because that's exactly where shorts are going to be. Right as pop into. Okay, so Mara, Riot. Dang, I have so many stocks now. I got to Mara. Mara is actually curling back up, kind of coming out of a flag right now, already for a new high. Mara is breaking out kind of on the daily, so Mara is right below this high of day of 1472. I think if crypto is gonna start going, any of these are gonna keep going crazy. Coin is halted down. How is that possible? Everything else is pulling back. SOPA is still looking like a nice play. I'm looking at it, trying to see if we get a 5-minute flag on SOPA. But the volume on SOPA is a little bit bigger. Andres isn't on SOPA. Yeah, this would have been the better play to add on SOPA down here. See, here's that retest of that 270 level again right here, but the volume there is a little bit higher than I wanted it to be. But you could take some ads down here-ish maybe. See, that could have been the ad down here. But that's a lot of volume on that red candle, right? GOEV is climbing. I've still only just taken one trade today. GOEV is climbing. I've still only taken one trade, one small trade on SOPA for like $112, $13 or something like that. GOEV has not hit $4. GOEV looks decent for $4. Yale. Yale says sniper ape trades moving average at almost 782. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. QNRX, man, that's stock. Let me see. Honestly, SOPA at that VWAP looked good right here. I think volume is dying on this thing. Do you think this is a turnaround of SOPA? Do you think this is our bottoming pivot on SOPA to climb back up to $3 if we get it? Down at that VWAP play right there. I jumped small share size on SOPA down here, but I'm gonna, oh, never mind. So I want to see if SOPA bottoms out down here. I thought I had a good entry, but this thing is kind of flushing through VWAP a little bit, but I want to see if it holds VWAP. And NVC. Okay, I see an NVC trying to reclaim. So about a 266. I'll give myself, I was gonna say I'll give myself 10 cents, but this candle kind of recovered it a little bit. 256. And NVC is making a nice little pop. And NVC, and then hold on, NVIV said it's halted. Okay, so NVIV is halted. Putting an alert on NVIV just to get notified when it unhalts, and then looking at NVC that is trying to rip through VWAP right now. Wait, 283. What are we talking about? On SOPA? See, we have different VWAPs, and that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. I don't understand that. But NVC is still the one that wants to keep going. $4 is our next kind of pivot. Yeah, how is that a 20-cent difference on both of our VWAPs? You have I have 260 somethings and you have 280s. That's a big difference. Okay, watching NNVC now. What is the pivot on NNVC? And then let's see that SOPA play. I'm back to break even on that trade. I'm back on the break even side of that trade. I was looking for that VWAP and now back on the green on this trade here. I was patient, gave myself 10 cents a room. Gave myself 10 cents a room. That candle pulled right back up to a nice little pivot on the 5. So I want to see if SOPA reclaims this 277.28. Yeah, you have VWAP at 282 as well. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. And NVC, that first candle. That first candle has nice volume, and then now it's kind of consolidating here. Is this a place to so you trade it on bad info? Not good. Wait. What? Yeah, but mine has the same thing as his. Mine has the same thing as his. How is that? Jay Bailey, the VWAP range can be measured on different time frames. I was asking about that the other day. Daily, weekly, monthly. Not the VWAP, because the VWAP is measuring the buying and selling of. Create a poll. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. All right, everybody, go look at SOPA and look at your VWAP and tell me what your VWAP price is. So, hold on, give me a second though. This NNVC VWAP touch looked tempting. All right, I created a poll I created a poll. Okay, I created a poll. I'm gonna leave it there for now, real quick, cause I gotta keep watching stuff. It looks like I finally got stopped out on SOPA. I think that was a good attempt at a 5-minute flag on SOPA. I'm fine with that. But QNRX said John. QNRX halted up as well. And then when does your stock come on halted? NVIV. That one's still halted. High of 1125. Okay, so YouTube people said one of them only said 282, and then the majority. Oh my gosh, 22%. So two people do have 286. Some people have other. The majority has 266. That's a big difference. That's crazy. QNRX halted up. Yep, QNRX is halted up, and NVIV is also halted up. And then that NVC play just completely dumped, so no trades on that one. Yeah, and NVC is done. But SOPA, I mean, we're still consolidating down here. I like SOPA. Look at the volume just completely die on SOPA. Do you guys think SOPA is at a good pivot place? I saw that. So we got a 266 and 282 on YouTube, so still even now on that side. So I gave back my $130 on SOPA. I bought it here, looking for this pivot bounce, kind of all of these candles here. Yeah, and this one's pulling back aggressively there now. Ride. How did Mara do? Mara did break that high. Riot, kind of also there. Coin is the only one that was going down, I guess. Ride is moving nice. Ride is going to be a hard stock to trade, though, right? Mara is consolidating up there, but volume died, and you're at kind of like a breaking point, and no really continuation on that stock. The only pretty thing about these two stocks is probably the daily. They're so beaten down. See, we got a little bit of a flat top here at 1412, and that's where this could have been a nice bounce, actually. That right there dropped down to that 1412. So SOPA did flush. Another thing that helps me nowadays trading, I don't get in stocks with more than 25, 30 million float. Last days, only small micro floats have jumped hard. Yeah. Yeah, all of these stocks. Here is now Mara breaking out. You're looking at $15 touch. FFIE, Juan. FFIE started making a move yesterday, if I remember. Bro, I need to delete the stock so that way every time I see a new one, I just have to type it because I know I have it somewhere. There it is. FFIE. Okay, this looks good. We're up to 336. That's right there. And NIV is also live now. NVIV. NVIV up to VWAP. Looks like 930 is strong resistance. I see FFIV, but NVIV is trying to keep going, trying to keep this momentum going. BRSH is a new IPO, yeah, I see that one. But no moves on it yet. NVIV kind of looks similar to the other one, NVC, where I made a move, kind of consolidated at VWAP and then dumped, so I would be scared that NVIV does the same thing. I would be scared that it does a very similar thing that NVC did. If we start holding VWAP, start moving higher, then I'll start looking for trade. $257, not sure why. Yeah, the price is $257 right now. QNRX is live. QNRX live. QNRX trying to get the review up. I just think that all of these stocks are pretty overextended for them to just keep taking out highs, right? Like QNRX, I mean, you can't tell me it's not extended after yesterday it made a move from $4 to 28, right? $24 a share. That's, oh, it's halted down. Yeah. NVIV, $9 entry. I see that. Okay, well, right now I'm not seeing anything super interesting. FFIE, let's go back and look at this one. 5-minute candle is looking bad. That I rode QNRX yesterday from 13 to mid 20. Yeah, I saw that. Everybody give Zach a little thumbs up because he rode that thing. I don't know how many shares he took. I don't care, but $13 to $20, $7 a share is incredible. That was incredible. Andres traded it too after I broke that trial. Was go mode. But the thing is, I mean, the thing is, when it broke that triangle, there was no pullback. So if you weren't in, there was, I mean, either you just lotto it and jump in like Andres says, or something, right? Because I mean, once it went after this triangle, look at that. There's not a single red candle for $7, right? There was no reason that I would have been in here and be like, you know what, I'm in. You know what, I'm in. Because, I mean, if you're looking at whole dollar, half dollar, it's breaking it every 2 seconds. Whole dollar, half dollar, whole dollar. Like there was no entry. So that was interesting. That was interesting to watch. Oh, I forgot to tell you what happened yesterday. Yeah, so I got off and like literally, Sopa is the one that's trying to come back up. NVIV still. Oh my gosh, Sniper Trade's got this trade through 901 on NVIV. This is that pivot I had earlier at 930. 930 looks pretty strong. BRSH alert. BRSH trying to go up to VWAP. SOPA also trying to get through VWAP. Is NVIV gonna halt on you, Sniper Trades? NVIV halted on you, Sniper Trades. Are you still in or you get your profit out? It's gonna resume higher. Here we go. Here we go. We got people stuck in a halt. Address is in it. Ape Trades is in it. I'm pretty sure Sniper Trades is in it. Address is. What's a good play for halt ups? Oh, you're not in. You're not in. Okay. Sopa is making a nice little move back up again. Oh my God, Sopa just had a red to green to red flush. John, still no trades for you? Okay, is it worth having a limit order around 870 if it dips? You never know how halts open. You have to see the way they open because this thing could open up and instantly flush. This thing can open down and instantly ride it. This thing can halt up and go. This thing can halt up, dip to that halt level, hold it, and then recover higher. Like, they're so unpredictable. The only time I like being in halts is when you have like the highs right here and you halted, say, like right here. Because right there, you know it's halted because everybody wants that 1125. So most likely it resumes at 1125 higher, or if it resumes lower, it still rips through that level. Here, it's kind of off a little bit, right? It's, I mean, $3 a share lower still. That's a lot to make up. Where's Jofi? Is Jofi in here again? QRTB move fast. Okay. There was another stock yesterday that made a nice move, and I never even saw it. It was like NENVB. Oh, anyways, my internet went out yesterday, and I could not trade after like 12, which usually I don't. But there goes BRSH a little bit. Jess Bronson's been calling it BRSH as well. Yeah, that one's Zach. That one. So my internet went out, and my wife had to take a test. So first of all, I was like trying to fix this thing. I called them on the phone. I was on the phone again for like 55 minutes. I always look at the time because holy crap, I was on the phone for a while. 55 minutes on the phone, and then looking at BRSH too. And they were like, "We can't fix it. We've troubleshooted everything. We don't know what's happening. We're just gonna have to send you another one." I was like, "Okay, when would it be there?" Like this weekend. I was like, "I cannot do that. I can't have tomorrow off. My wife can't take her test. Friday off. I need something now, right?" And so Moho ended up moving big yesterday. I took a late day trade on it. Ended the day 3-9-11. There we go. There we go. Urban Trades is on SOPA right now. BRSH is a good stock to be watching. And the resumption halt on NVIV. QNRX is live. Oh, that one halted down though. What time did NVIV halt up? Also watching staff. I did not see that one. 8:55. This one should be live soon now. In less than a minute on this one. Anyways, they were like, we can't do anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go buy my own modem. And I went to Best Buy. I went to Staples, to Target, to Walmart, and the modem that I have, I guess, has like different technology that could not find one. There was nothing out there that worked with my internet. So I couldn't buy anything. I literally went everywhere. And I come back home and my internet's back up. It was just a power outage for internet in my city in like for like an hour or two. I was like, "Are you serious?" And by then it was market was closed. So BRSH, well, gonna look at the resumption halt on NVIV, but VRSH kind of attempting a break of downtrend and setting up pretty good. This one should be live in 30, 40 seconds. At least you're here today. Yeah, I literally thought I was like, okay, I guess I have to tell him I can't stream tomorrow. Which so far I'm break even on the day, so I haven't made anything yet. I think I'm down 13 bucks. I was up 120-ish, but I gave it back on a dip trade, which I'm okay with. I'm watching this resumption on NVIV. It's about to unhalt here and sniper trades. There we go. Quick scalp, very small share size. There goes BRSH. BRSH. I want to have a good setup so I can step up the play. BRSH, BRSH. Good trade, sniper trades. Good trade. BRSH, big curl back up. Where's this pivot here? 333. What is this pivot here? 314. I want to see if we bounce off of 314. Small little pivot play here. Maybe it was more like 313. Oh, and how did I get filled at 317? But if this thing wants to run and squeeze and make a parabolic move all the way to high days, it's got to recover and start hitting higher. Quick little pivot here of this 314 is. I got filled very high. SOPA looks like it's dead for today. That was a terrible opening on that candle there. BRSH is not looking pretty. I'm about to cut this. That thing just dumped on me. I think just dumped on me even with small share size. Good job, sniper trades. Good job, sniper trades. Okay, there's no good setup. NVIV halted all the way up. What? Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Staff. Let's see what staff wants to do. Dang, NVIV ripped still. Dang, you got a 960 order. BRSH, look at this recovery on BRSH. BRSH, really nice recovery. Up to that 314 again, right where I was. Looking at BRSH again for this curl back up. That's a very nice engulfing green candle on BRSH. I want to see if this stock wants to keep running to high of day. Okay. So far we're heading to high of day. High of day is 365. BRSH high of day is 365. We are a little bit on a nice little squeeze here heading up to 365. I want to see if 350 breaks. There we go. 350 is right there. I want to add, if this thing keeps squeezing like this, I want to add big on this thing for the break of high of days, even maybe curl up to $4. This is one that's looking good. Added way down there. I want to see if this recovers. I took that kind of pivot play there. I want to see this rip through this 350 and take us to a high of day. There we go. Nice little pop there. Get over 350. Get over 350. Can we get over 350? I have 2,000 shares still left. I want to take small share size out. We broke 350, but didn't really get a nice pop all the way up there. Evol got an alert. That's an old stock, I think, so it's not going to be the best. 1,000 shares left. Fully out of that play for now. I will look to re-add lower. Yep, I made back all my money on that trade. I was down $300, $400 on that trade, and I just made it back, and now positive. So now it's still looking, if it dips down again, I want to scoop up some shares and see if we still get this 350 back up to 365 high of day. $330 pivot. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. We tapped 350 once or twice, so I'm making it a little iffy. But I do want to see if I can get another stab down here. Right there, add it again. Buying the dip. Right there, add it again, that 330 pivot again. Instant pop of that ad, so I'm going to start taking some profits out. Instant pop of that 330 pivot again. Now I want to see this curl back up and through 350, through 350, through 365 high a day, and see if I get a very nice move. Looks like buying pressure has slowed down a little bit. Taking out a little bit. Have 1,000 shares as runners now. NVIV resumes. What did NVIV resume at? Did it? I'm sure NVIV. I'm sure it broke that high. Oh my gosh. You're out of your mind, bro. What is wrong with this market? You've got to be kidding, man. You have got to be kidding, man. And why is it that the stock that I'm always in never halts up like that crazy? Like this one, right? I want to stop out of all of these. That is crazy. We're getting momentum all over again. Which one was it? NVIV. I don't even know where to get in or get out on this stock. So I got a BRSH and it's pulling back now. But let's watch this pivot down here of 316, or even that 330 might start holding again. Watch the 5 minute, right? Watch the 5 minute. Look at the low volume that we have right now. This is the first 1 minute candle on this 5 minutes, but yeah. What the heck is this? Can you explain what a flag is? Yeah, sorry I never saw your message. I was busy trading. A flag looks like, kind of like, no, that's not a pretty one. Flag looks like this. When you have that stock go up, it's called the flag because this is a pull, and then it makes kind of like a little flag like this. That's a good example right there. Kind of a flag, you know, and then breaks out of that flag. So a pull, a flag, and then breaks out. So they could be on a 1 minute chart like this, or they could be on a 5 minute chart like what we're trying to form here, right? So here's that pull. Look on the bigger time frame. Here's that pull on BRSH. I'm looking down here, and I want this stock to pull back like this. And why do I want it to pull back like that? Because I want to take a trade down here to break out of that flag for that new high of day. So I went down. I went SOPA added 237. I see what you're adding against. That's good. That's good. NVIV is curling back up, or at least holding that. NVIV might just rip up another through this high of day. BRSH, those ads down there could have been good, right? So look at this right here. This looks like a flag. Just added down there. Okay, NVIV is pulling back. BRSH trying to break out of this flag here. We have a nice, that 350 is up there. So I went from being down almost $400 on this stock to now being up 200 on it. Here's a breakout of this flag. Does it give us a nice little retest or pullback, or is it just squeeze? 365 is a high. $365 is a high. We've hit a new high. I added on that and I sold on the other side. Now watching for the retest of 365. If this momentum keeps squeezing shorts out up here, looking for this to hold, act as support, and up to $4. Make it climax. I want to see this start holding and really start running and accelerating to $4. This is that recent IPO, so now we're at all-time highs, right? Terrible opening, but that's a retest of 350 here. Yeah. That was a retest of 350 down there, but that kind of like spawned down. I'm going to watch 315 pivot on BRSH. 375 here on BRSH. We're still looking for $4, but I had no entry down there. There's a nice start carrying away, right? There's some profit taking. Do we keep this momentum up to $4? Now I'm looking for that 365 retest if we get it. Stock just wants to go. Here we go. Give us that 365 retest down here. Add it down there at that 365 retest. How do I get filled so high though? Oh no, I got 366. I don't want this to flush because I'm in a little bit heavier on that dip there. I'm looking for 365 previous high of day to hold and then curl back up to $4. There we go. There a little bit of pops there. Take some profit out. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for this full curl back up to Okay, I made another $200 on that trade. It looks like a lot of you guys were fully out of that play. I should be a little bit more patient on these dip buys. I nailed that entry at 365. I had average price of 366 with like 5,000 shares. This thing wants to pull below it. You know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is watch that 5-minute pivot down to 355. Be in that scene. I'm not looking at comments. Sorry, guys. I'm in the zone. I'm dialed in. Now it wants to rip high. Looking for a high of day break. I want to see how it acts up here first. Looks like we might get this high of day break, so I added a little bit smaller share size on the move up. That's one of my rules. I want to see this break through this level here, 385. Start taking out right there at that double top in case it double tops, so I took a little bit out there. Stole 1,000 shares for the curl back up to 385 and see if it pops us up right up to $4. 385 is going to break. 385, there it is, 388. Weak break, so it took some out there. Still 500 shares left. I want to see if that weak break recovers itself and still goes back up. Only 500 shares now, so not anything big. That was a weak break, so I was hoping that break would take us straight to $4, instant 10-15 cents. I want to fully get out. So I was up like 420, I think, before that trade. Now 459. So made a little bit there, but that weak break and that little bit of a flush here is not what you want to see. That's great. Thank you for that. Yeah. Awesome. Let me know anything you need, right? NVIV unhalted. Oh my gosh, this thing is going to pop up to new high of day. Watch this. It unhalted and halted. It halted down and unhalted higher. You know what this looks like? QRNX yesterday. I'm pretty sure it was QRNX that did this yesterday. Right? I still want to look at BRSH for a nice 5-minute candle pullback or something. Oh, now it looks like it pulled back too aggressively, I think. Up 90 on the day. Awesome, Ape Trace. There you go. There we go. How's everybody doing today? SOPA bounce working. You added at 230 something, I think. There we go. Staff went. What do you mean staff went? Staff went where? Vic B Trades. Hey man, you were here yesterday. Vic trades. You were here yesterday, and at one point during the trading session, I was like, all right, who do we think deserves the good best trader of the day today? And I've never done that. I mean, I just said it out loud, and I was like, Vic trades. I said Vic trades deserves it because you were up $700 yesterday, and I don't think you've ever made that much, or you were so excited. I was like, I'll give it to you, and you weren't here, bro. So I take that back. Catch you sleeping. Ooh. BRSH. What could that 5-minute pullback been? That ADMA still down there. Zach was the best. Yeah. Zach was the best in the afternoon for sure. Zach was the best in the afternoon, hands down. Oh, Ape Traits. I use Wondershare. Filmora Wondershare. PACB. Yeah, that's a low volume play. Staff though. Staff pivot at 450. And BRSH still wants $4, so it's not free. I don't know that they're actually it's free, but you get watermarks on it. I think a lot of the filming things are gonna be like that. Like you can use it free, but you have watermarks. Might go for 401 on BRSH. BRSH keeps holding this 3-4 pivot down here, and this is lower volume again. Look at this 5-minute chart. Well, that first 5-minute candle has a lot of volume, but not. Okay, yeah. Up 128 on the day, held at halt paper money. There we go. Good job. As long as you're not trading stupid, as long as you're not trading like a psychotic $200,000 rich person trading paper money, if you trade paper money legit and you take it seriously, it'll work, man. It'll work. So that's why when you guys say paper money, I'm like, that's still paper money. That's still a trade you took. That's still a trade you bought and sold. Staff probably wants another high still, a $5 touch maybe. I'm still looking at BRSH. This has low volume down here. If it gives BRSH, if it gives me 320s down there, I might add. Look up DaVinci Resolve for video editing for free with no watermarks. Ride starting to head for high days. SOPA, let's go. Nice ad, Andres. Nice ad on SOPA. 3 days. AWX hot but halted. Halted down. Staff is close to $5. I would not be You've been in Ride since 350? Wait a second. How cheap is Ride now? Wait a dang second. I think this is what somebody was saying, Sniper Trades or Ape Trades or something trades, that these things are so beaten up. I thought I looked at Ride earlier, but dang, Ride is $3. This thing used to be like 40, 31. Holy crap. Somebody's lost their retirement right there. BRSH, volume is dying. BRSH, volume is dying and stock is not going lower. What are we thinking, boys? What are we thinking, team? Bro, I low-key think Tommy and Gary share a trading account. They might. I don't know, man. Yeah, it was Sniper Trades. They said, okay. Should we separate alerts on a different tab? I think a lot of people don't know that tab, and they don't want to go back and switch to it. Sniper Trades. So if you want, just post it on here, and we can give a thumbs up so people will see it and like it and are aware of it. Or I guess you can put it in both, because then otherwise, if you put it on chat here, it gets immediately pushed up. Rebel, hi Juan, what's up, man? Oh, somebody on YouTube also said DaVinci Resolve is the best free editing app, by the way. Very professional. Playing with the same size I would if I had cash to be realistic. It feels real to be. So trying that. Yes, you have. That's what you have to. Oh, look at, look at BRSH. Oh well, now it flushed through that level, but I was like, if it drops down to that 320, 328, 29, I might scoop some up. But it instantly went through that level, so I'm happy with that. NVIV. NVIV pulling down. NVIV using 1150 as support. So today was looking like a bad day. I took $100 profit and then I gave it all back on SOPA, so down $13 on that stock. And then I went to BRSH and I was down $400 on this thing. It was like 390. Sniper trades, one trade and done. One trade and done. Sniper trades. I like it. I was down about $400 on this stock, and I had some pretty good reads. Pretty good reads. I think I added small on the breakouts, and I added big on the dips, and that's what I need to tell myself, and that's what it's gonna work. That is what's gonna work. That's what's going to allow me to stop taking bigger losses and hopefully bigger gains, right? So I'm getting used to doing that with you guys. We're as a team trying to add bigger dips, trying to find the better pivots, the bigger flags, and averaging big on those. I'm trying to click it. NVIV, there we go. NVIV, big engulfing candle here. This pivot here of $13, so maybe take a trade at 1301 maybe, but this stock is so crazy. Oh my gosh, nasty flush. Get out of that. Get out of that. Andres, are you out of SOPA or are you still holding SOPA? Now, one thing I don't understand, and I'm not criticizing you, Andres, is just kind of going to ask you. You're $450 profit already? Yeah, probably like 500 because I have $60 profit on this other stock. So one thing that I don't understand, and I don't feel comfortable, right? SOPA. Okay, no. Bank 77 cents. What the heck? 77 cents is good, man. Good job. One thing that I don't understand, for example, BRSH, right? Obviously uptrending, obviously have targets to hit, right? And especially IPO. So for this stock, I feel comfortable taking these dip trades, right? Taking that dip trade, taking that dip trade, taking that dip trade, like that. And recover that flush. I did see that. Now, something like SOPA, right? It's not uptrending anymore. It's downtrending. And the target is almost a whole dollar away, right? 80 cents. Wait. Wait, how did you make 75 cents on this? How do you, no offense, but dude, you really shouldn't be trading. You miss all swings. You keep scalping. I like trading, man. Um, how did you know that was like, how do you know this is not one that's just gonna fade all day? That's what 90% of these stocks do. How did you know that SOPA was the one that was gonna have a bounce as opposed to, let's see, this one, X-Core, right? Fallen. GRNA fading, right? GOEV fading. Yell fading. FFIE fading, right? All of these stocks. Sense, look at Sense fading, right? Fading. And on this one, like you could say, okay, look at this here, right? Okay, I'm buying that dip right there. That's the low, or even like up here, like this pivot here, there. I'm buying it here, you know. I would not touch NVIV until it reaches 15 to 1. It needs to punish new shorts and squeeze those out of 15 to push up. Yeah. Well, had a small dip buy order on NVIB down at 11.50 and caught that fake out for a quick 50 on my small account. There you go, Ryan. There you go. The only thing I will say, be careful. This is not a beginner stock, or I don't know your level of trading, obviously, but for everybody out there, this is not a beginner stock. This is not that I recommend complete beginners or somebody who's just starting trading to trade. Why? Because look at this. That's $13 right here. That's $12 right here. That's $11 right there. That's $10 right there. One candle, like this red candle, moves from 13 down to 11. That's $2 a share. $2 a share in a stock market is a lot. If you make $2 a share every day, you'll be a millionaire by the end of the year. No matter how many shares you take. This thing could have easily flushed, caught in a halt, and resumed down to 9 to 10 to 9, right? That fake flush. Yeah, a lot of people were at that halt level at that 1120, so recovered. Good job, good dip buy. But take small size, right? Take small size. This thing can halt down and go low fast. Let's see. QRNX, right? Look at this. This is the same thing. That's that fake flush that just happened on uh on NVIV, right? From $21 down to 18 and instantly in the next 5 minutes to 15. That thing just lost $7 a share. You lose $7 a share, half your account is gone. Half your account is gone. Unless you're using small share size, right? For example, and look at this. BRSH. Look how many shares I've traded. 15,000. Look at SOPA. 5,500, right? Look at my shares traded on NVIV. 300. I know what to expect, so I'm downsizing, right? Look at this. BRSH. This is a good lesson for everybody. Look how many shares I've taken on BRSH. Yeah, I traded a little bit more, but I was taking 2,500, 5,000 shares, 2,500, 1,500, 15,000 shares traded. SOPA, right? Moves from 2.4, 2.6, 2.5, 10 cents each. Okay, take 1,500, 2,500 shares, 5,000 shares total. Look at my trades on NVIV, 300. And I think that was 2 trades too. If it shows it. No, it was just 1 trade. Okay, it was just 1 trade, but still a 300 shares. Just letting you guys. Just letting you guys know. Who's this guy? LOL. Would it be a positive guy, Kevin? Bro, have you ever traded on MT5? No, I have not. I have not traded on that platform. LOL, NVIV will go to 280 by noon. It's called swing trading, folks. Don't say I didn't tell you. Kevin, if you make so much money, man, and if you're so rich, why do you have to come in here and like talk trash or like not yeah, talk trash to other people and other streamers? Like why, man? Are you so bored at home? You got nothing to do? NVIV curling? NVIV is flagging. Yeah, Lang. You already know, Lang. You already know. 90% of runners fail and fade away to where they come from. That's why I like breakouts better. If I do buy dips, I'm curling it quick. Jay Bailey said, hey, Kevin, hit my cash app. Fully out of SOPA, retested downtrend line and got rejected. Nice. Good trade, Andres. I mean, props to you, man, because I would never be able to call those out. But you did have a falling wedge, kind of. MF, John is calling out. MF. MF, 30-cent stock. And somebody was calling FRGB, right? FRGE. Oh, wow. FRGE. I missed that. Dang it. FRGE, we are at a double top on a daily, so that 665 level. Just saying, if I do become a guy that consistently makes 20K per day, I'm still living a normal life and not flashing my money. Guys, I'm telling you this right now. If I make 20K a day, whether if it's by trading or by memberships or my course, I promise you guys I will help a lot of you guys out. Like, I'm serious. I will do fun stuff to give money away. I will do something to help you guys. If I'm filthy rich like that, bro, I don't need anything in life besides a good house, my family taken care of, and that's it. Plus, I've been a guy that have been helped a lot in my life. I definitely been a guy that has been helped in my life a lot. I had a not a rough start to life, but a rough, yeah, rough 10 years of my life ish. So I do want to just give back to people that need it, people that just give them a little push. So hopefully I do make some millions. 20K a month is where freedom starts. AMTD, good dip by here, risking that $4. AMTD. What the heck? AMTD. SOPA is still kind of curling back up. I don't know what other stock. NVIV looks to me like the only obvious one. FRGE maybe as well, but FRGE is already pretty extended. Unless it's doing a 5-minute pullback right now. FRGE, do we think another pullback? Down to that 611? Oh, Andres was already calling it. Andres was already on top of the game, man. I go live 15 minutes before market open. Jesse said, for real, start your own channel, dude. What is the percentage off becoming profitable day trader? I don't get what you're saying. Like percentage of people that make it, or percentage of people that, or how much you make as a day trader, like average. NVIV, that's support there, yeah. I would like SOPA to get back up. I want a break of $3 on SOPA. I want BRSH to come back up as well to $4. I want BRSH to break $4. That's an IPO. Watch that stock all day long, right? We know the last 2 weeks every IPO has gone 10, 20, $15 a share, right? FRGE, man. FRGE is a nice pivot right here. BRSH trying to make a comeback. B only profitable. Volume is down though. Don't know if it'll push back through. Kevin, this is not swing trading channel. 11:27 were the last 1 minute candle. Uh, Elvanar, I did say 15 minutes before market open, right? Nothing more juicy than the money in the bank account. How do you manage the risk when you sell half? When do you but stop loss to break even? What trade did I take? BRSH. A lot of the times I have a target that I'm looking for. That's why I always look what's the next target, or if there is no target, I'm looking for I think you had an issue with Tradecaster. He sure is sniper trades. So BRSH, my dips were here. And my first target was 365 because that was high of day, right? So taking trades through here, taking it out 365. After I get my first profit out the way, my first half, all I do is just put a break even, right? A lot of the times I just put a break even. I'd rather protect my profit than for it to do something like this and like this on me and then be in a negative trade, right? If it keeps squeezing a little bit more, I will cancel it real quick and take out another fifth, fourth, third of my position. So if I have like 1,000 shares left, I'll take out another 200, 300, and then re-put my stop loss at break even. I always put it slightly above break even because if I'm in a trade, at least I want to make 10, 50, $50, right? Depends on how many shares I have. So I always put it slightly above. But I mean, that's when you're in a winning trade, right? Because obviously, if I buy here and instantly put a stop there, it's gonna pull me down. That's why I'm trying to get better at taking this trade here, which I did with 5,000 shares on one of these pops here, and then broke out of that flag. As a matter of fact, I want to know which one it was. Yeah, Oh, 5,000 shares was up here. Dang, I should have bought the 5,000s down here. But I traded that stock good. I think I traded it clean. So I'm happy with that performance, even if it didn't pay me good. There's that pivot on freaking FRGE. MF. MF curling. Did anybody jump on that FRGE? Fariza on YouTube also saying MF. FRGE, man, I missed it. I mean, I was sitting here, I looked at it, it had low volume, it had a nice pullback. Zach, did you get that? Andres, you called that 6-1. Did you get in at 6-1? I missed it. I missed it too. But guys, I don't care if we're missing these trades. We are starting to nail some of these, and it's only been like 2 weeks since we've really tried these 5-minute pullbacks, bigger dips, bigger plays, and we're nailing them. We're nailing them. I think so. So look at this, go up to $7. That was a good play. That's the one we needed right there. MF, sorry. And VIV is just consolidating. I might even see this is the whole time we've been consolidating. I might just take like a very small stab if we kind of flush down a VWAP real quick, scoop some shares up. Yeah, FRGE just went. That's crazy, and we had that. Oh, and it just failed. We had it, we had it. We'll get the next one, guys. We'll get the next one, we'll get the next one. Look, Kevin, you have no idea if you did, YouTube would be the last place you come because you be on the beach with 10 bad girls with you like Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate. Bro, what's so big about that guy? That guy just got famous out of nowhere. At least I'd never heard of him. Is he like the next Gary V almost type thing or what? NVIV, that ad would have played. Oh gosh, look at NVIV. Where's that break it down trend? Right at it. We're right at NVIV. I had an ad down here. Or I wanted to add down there. Look at that downtrend, right? Hey, who was asking me for the flags? This is a giant flag. This is a giant flag. Look at this. Right here. Flag. Do you see it? So we're looking for the break of this flag here. Maybe a nice retest of that flag. And see if we get that move back up to that pivot up here. I was so close to adding down here. I was so close to adding down there and I didn't. He doesn't. Oh, look at that. Somebody was asking me, why is this stock risky? Just because of that. Buying the breakout of that flag at 12.30, 12.40, 12.50, you're instantly down $2 a share again. You're instantly down $2. Oh, wait a second. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Ape traits. Yep, sniper trade said, scary, I ain't touching it. That's right. That's why it's better to buy it after confirmation of break. I learned from Han. Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. Bro, I've learned from you too, so we all learn off each other. Just missed FRGE again. I was looking at it here now, but this stock, once it starts going in parabolic momentum, I don't think this thing has a lot of volume. I think it's behaving pretty whippy. How long is the halt on NVIV? Probably a 5-minute halt. It just halted. Did you get stuck in that, Kyrian? Yeah, I would not. I would not hesitate. I was looking at here. I was looking at a trade there, but I didn't take it just because I know the stock is risky. I knew that it could have flushed like it did here. It could have flushed there. So, hey Kevin, hey Kevin, I thought you're in on NVIV, and I thought you said this is gonna hit 280%. It's halted down, bro. You got in at 1054. Oh, you bought that dip on the halt down. Dang, Kyrian. Okay, okay. It just halted, so I would assume 5 minutes. FRGE, man. We missed the first pivot. That's okay. I'm okay with missing that one. I don't know how much I'm up today. I would assume $600. I need to filter all of July. Oh, maybe not. Where's Jofi Young? We need Jofi Young in here. He's always like, "Yep, resumption is here. Resumption is here. Resumption at this time. Resumption price here." That's why we need Jofi Young. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not selling 1K on break of VWAP. Wait, what are you in? What are you in, Jasperanza? BRSH. Okay, nice. 1144 on NVIV. 11, wait. No, that's when it halted. 11. Hold on. Give me a second. No, it halted at 44. It halted at 10:44 because it's 9:44 for me. Dang, Rosendo and Jasperanza both caught that dip at $3 on BRSH. Okay. Okay, 23 cents a profit. No, Ape Trades, don't tell me something bad happened. BRSH coming back. BRSH, in fact, is trying to come back. Scam call. What happened, Ape Trades? No. How the heck did you do that? Jasperanza is still holding 1,000 shares on this stock. We do need to break, if BRSH wants to recover, we do need a break of VWAP, and let's see. I think 350 up here would be a good pivot. Kind of this zone right here. By the way, when I mark my zones, guys, I never thought about this. When I mark my zones, it's not like a range where the stock is bouncing in between. Kind of like if you do it like this, like let me see. Like this could be a zone, right? Like this. A lot of people do that and they're like, okay, the stock is staying in between this thing, right? That's a zone. I do it opposite. I do it like where I think the stock is bouncing at, like this. Right? Support, 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 resistance, resistance, support, right? So it's kind of like the area of to bounce, because instead of putting a line, they're not always so accurate. So this is where I think it is, right? So rips up resistance, pulls back, rips out of it, touches it, support, breaks out, support, support, flushes through that area. So I think that's a nice little area, and not coincidentally, it's at 350, half dollar. Dang it, Ape Trades. Dang it, it's not in like for real. I thought Ape Trades was like, dude, I accidentally bought like 2,000 shares of NVIV. Oh, it resumed. I thought Ape Trades was legit. Like, bro, I bought it at $12 and I accidentally filled like 3,000 shares. John was in FRGE. 730. Good job, man. Good job. Holy crap. You already know who's banking on this thing. Yeah, get it, get it. I want to watch it. I want to watch it. Guys, like I'm saying, anytime you want me to watch a video, just record it. Go watch my YouTube channel. I have a link of how to record your videos, and and if you ever want me to look at it, or anybody to look at it, anybody in chat here, I'll look at it. Send it to me somehow, or post it on YouTube. Just post it privately or something. Send me the link, and then I'll watch it. Kirian bought that dip at 10.54. That was crazy. I'm sure he took some off. I'm sure he took some off. Kieran, how'd your trade go? Did you sell in this retest of this 1123-ish? John, nice add on FRGE. Once it starts going parabolic momentum now, I'm telling myself to hold back a little bit. These are the plays that I usually chase and make money on, but I think if I want to scale and make the big bucks, I need to be able to catch this dip, and this dip. This thing is gonna get halted up here. Next daily resistance, 200 moving average at $12 though. This thing has room. It's halted up. Stuff isn't the cleanest today. Okay, okay. I do think I'm being a little too defensive on this stock at all because I haven't traded it at all, but I'm okay with it. Your program crashed in your 1K shares of FRGE? What price? What price did you get? No, 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 no. Okay, yeah, I saw you bought right before the halt, but Andres said his program crashed and he's in 1,000 shares. Look how clean this pivots were though. 829. Well, you're in profit. Hopefully this thing gaps up on resumption for you guys. It's up $4 a share. This thing is up 100%. It's up 90%. Did you mean to buy right because you saw it halting and you meant to buy right before the halt, John? Because I will do that. If I see a stock trying to halt. What the heck? What's it called, John? When I see a stock trying to halt, I usually do buy into them when I have an obvious target right above. And I say this all the time, right? If 9 was the high of day and this thing is halting right there, I'll chase it, right? But when it's up $5 a share, I'm not saying you're wrong. I hope this works out for you. I would not chase a halt when it's up like that much. Of course, this could do what QNRX did yesterday, right? Just halt up, halt up, halt up like this, right? Halt up, even though it's so extended, and still gapped up, right? It can. It did it here too. Oh, this is where I was saying earlier. It halted down, and resumed higher, so that put more pressure on shorts again. I think I was talking about it on NVIV today. Always remember what happens the days before, right? Always happen. Look at this. Halted down, resumed higher, and still went a little bit. I see, I see. Okay. Well, hopefully the halt could help you. The halt could have a lot of pressure to keep running after it. Oh, by the way, I thought it was up 600 bucks on the day. I'm up $500 on the day. I'm up $500 on the day, which is okay. I think. I think. Hey, batter. Yeah, I just took the biggest loss of my 2022 year on Tuesday, guys. I'm open with you guys. I tell you guys everything. I took. Let me look at the calendar. So here's August. This is by not by far. I think I had another $2,000 day, but this is my biggest loss of all 2022. Almost $3,000 in the red. And this week I'm only down $400 now. I'm only down $400 this week. I think. Let me check again. Yeah, I'm only down $440 this week after taking the biggest loss of my 2022 year. Quick bounce. Quick bounce right back up, right? I want to see their presumption on FRGE. It halted at 44, right? No, this is a different one. 52. 57, it should come alive. It should come alive here in 40 seconds. Hold on. I'll look at this real quick. I don't know that I'll take a trade on it. Probably not, but I hope this works out for you guys. Yeah, Zach. Yeah. You can tell when it's about to halt on time and sales. This should be live here in about 5 seconds. Well, 5 seconds now. Come on, gap up for John. Gap up for John. We got this. There it is. Gap up for John. Yes, sir. Take your profit, John. Yes. Yes, sir. Awesome. Let's go. I get so excited when you guys make money now. I love it. And Dress was in it too, right? Did you mean to buy a Dress, or you got stuck on a, or did you get a accidental buy because of your program crashing? Bro, that's crazy. Now you're up $675 on the day. Good job, good job. Kevin, who are you? Stop trying to say stupid stuff because you're hype, man. Someone could have listened to you and lost a lot of money. Kevin, how old are you, man? Kevin is a big troll. Good job, John. Good job, John. You did it. You did it, John. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, he's in YouTube, I took it pretty safe today. I think I traded good. Yeah, I can. But I've done it with the other stuff, and they keep coming back. I timed them out. I put him in timeout. Good job, John. And way to stick that trade out. Good job. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I traded pretty good today. I think I nailed the entries, and I think that's something that I'm working on, gaining my confidence back. I mean, I took a 5,000 share position today, and I thought it was good. But I think yesterday and today I still was playing with only 1,500, 2,500 shares, and still $900 yesterday and $500 today. That's good. I think that's good. Now, of course, these stocks are moving more than they usually are. So 1,500 shares, 2,500 shares, still a decent chunk, right? I mean, it's moving almost dollars again on FRGE. I want to catch one of these though. I want to catch one of these where I stick a play for a dollar, $2, $3 a share, man. Where's Zach? Zach is in here. He missed that FRGE play too. We all missed it. I wasn't watching it. Yeah, Zach's been killing it. Yeah, Zach's been killing it recently, man. He's in here. He's in here. I want to catch one like HKD. Look at Zach, man. He's in ride since 350. Look at that. This guy's in since 350. And I know exactly where he got. I could tell you exactly where he bought. I could tell you exactly where he bought. This is Zach. Pivot here. High of day. Rips up. Pulls down. Lower volume. I'm buying here. This is Zach. That's Zach right here. Nailing every trade. Good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. He's been killing it recently. Hey Juan, how you doing? What's the P&L like today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm trading slower, not chasing everything, but I think it's paying off and up $500 today. Yeah, where's Agaska, man? Did Agaska leave us? I just thought about it. Where's Agaska? And where's Morte? I haven't seen Morte in a while either. Maybe they're lurkers. Lurkers, lurkers. I'm sure I have a lot of people that are lurkers that don't comment as much. Somebody mentioned APDN earlier too. Bro, APDN halted today. This thing halts like every 5 seconds. Everybody post your P&Ls on the Profits tab again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here you go. You scroll up right on top of the chat, and there's a talk, alerts, and profits. Go up to profits. Yeah, we were doing this yesterday, Vic B, and we were trying to count out how much we were making on the day as a team collectively, and you weren't here to add your 700, bro. You weren't here to add your 700. I think there's still a lot of people that don't post their profits, but that's okay. Vic B trades. Wait, wait, wait. Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's 10:03 already. John up 75. A nice red to green day for John. Big BP trades, man, killing it again. $300, up $1,000 in 2 days. I'm up 500. Andres killing it with a 1.2 day, almost 1.3. Good job, Andres. Sniper trades right there with Andres. They're fighting for that profit. Look at them two. 12.89, 12.75. One trade only. Good job, Andres. Good job, good job, good job. Big B, 1,000 in 2 days. That's good. Those are good numbers, Big B trades. Figure it out, and this is your future job, right? Figure it out. This is your future job. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, come on. Isaiah, negative 40. That's okay, Isaiah. That's okay. Jesperanza posting the actual. There we go. 274. I guarantee you that was SOPA. No, BRSH. I guarantee that was BRSH, right, Jesperanza? Nice, nice, nice. Here down 109. Okay, that's okay, Amir. That's okay. Small red, hopefully. We'll bounce right back. Bounce right back tomorrow. I had a big loss Tuesday, right? I had a big loss Tuesday, and I came back yet Wednesday. I came back today, and small profits, small profits. Get your confidence back, and then step it up again, right? I gotta go back to the talk. Steve Ranjan, Juan Martinez bouncing back a little bit, man, a little bit, a little bit. For having Kieran is up 400. Okay, Kieran. SDT 99 is done. Thanks SDT9 for coming in here. Jay Bailey, you're red and hella frustrated. Jay Bailey, let me know. I'm done for the day. I have masked my trade for the weeks. I am returning to the States next week. I will switch to a cash account then. Awesome, Mosey. Awesome. What account broker are you opening? Hey, that's a good mentality, Brad. That's a good mentality. Zach is out of ride. Okay. Carrion, do you know how to access the profits tab up top? Juan, the group has done really good this week. Thanks for streaming. I think we did good. I think we did good this week because we actually literally worked together. We nailed a trade yesterday. Perfect. Thanks to Zach as well on PSTX. Perfect dip buy. Like a 40-50 cent trade. And then today, I think we traded BRSH pretty good. I did, and I was calling out the pivots. I was calling out the plays, and I think we got it. I was saying 365. I think we made it work. Oh, Steve. Keep it going. Small size, bay hits. Yeah, so I think for everybody that just showed up here, no, I want to take a quick pick and send my P&L. RYTM. Low volume RYTM, yeah. John up 500 on the week. That's good, man. Good job, guys. Good job. Good team. I like this team. I like this team. I like all you guys. All we do is take money from market makers, from banks, right? Hope you stick around on trades. Love your room. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. This is my job, man. I'm doing this for the next 50 years. Until I don't know how to work computers anymore, technology advances and I'm stupid at that point, and I don't know how to figure this thing out, I'm done. That's when I'll stop. Kieran, I'm up 500 on the day. 500 on the day. Yesterday was up 900. Tuesday I took a big loss, but Monday I had another $1,000 day, so that was decent. Ozzy, I'm a beginner, you know. I traded 84 yesterday and 19. Hey, you're a beginner and you're having 2 green days in a row. That's good, man. Keep it small. You better stick around. My full-time job soon, hopefully. Trader Dad. There we go. There we go. Jay Bailey. Okay, yeah, that'll help a little bit. Yeah, you definitely want the platform, not the browser. Guys, anybody in here, everybody that's consistently watching me and you're red, like Deoxy on YouTube, I'm literally here to help you guys, and I'm not charging you anything. Record your trades. Record your trades. Oh, Sopa is making a nice little red to green. Record your trades, or just tell me, look, I took a trade here. Send me the timestamp. Like, I bought it right here at 10:04, and I stopped out at right here at 2:45, but I was looking for this. You know, stuff like that. Send me your trades. I can take a look at them and say, look, you're buying right at resistance, you're buying right at a downtrend break, you're buying like stuff like that, right? Where it's like, okay, maybe this wasn't the best play, or if it's a good setup and I'm like, you know what, you had the right idea, that you cut that out and then you try it again the next time you see that setup. That's a good thing, right? So Deoxy, keep your head up, man. Isaiah, I'm serious, guys, all of you guys. Easy money for a sniper. Yes, sir, Kieran. You got the fast hands too, though. You got fast hands, Kieran. Kieran with the fast hands, with the fast dip buys on that NVIV. Perfect sniped right there. You're calling me the snipe? This thing hit a low of 1053, and you hit it 1054. You're holding too long. It's a mindset thing. I'm trying to break. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Jonathan Felipe, what's up, man? Bailey said stop losses and take profits then. People pay a lot of money for coaching, and Juan is offering it for free. Damn, you're a good dude. Yep. Listen that. QNRX making a move again. I'm only doing it now for free because you guys are supporting me and I like it. All I ask is you like my TikToks, you like my Instagrams, you stay active in my Discord, and that's it. You have full access for a mentor right here from a successful day trader. What else can you ask? You can do that, or you can go on TikTok and find the people flashing that Ferrari, find that Lamborghini, pay them 500 bucks, and then follow their stupid calls. You pick. You pay 500 for the guy driving that Lamborghini, flashing 50K days, and you pay him 500 for him to just tell you, like, this is where I'm buying, this is where I'm selling, on 10 different stocks, 10 different entries a day. Or you got this guy right here. Or you got this guy right here doing everything for free, telling you, just support it, right? Like we made it. I'm not selling you until I see your tweet game first. Bro, I'm about to hire somebody for my Juan any day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Kirian. QNRX is halted, man. Yes, Kevin. Just stop being a jackrabbit, bro. For real, Kevin. I don't blame it. There's some guys out there that make big bucks, and I know they're legit. But I feel like a lot of the people that make the big bucks like that in day trading, they're humble. You know, they're not out there flashing the Lamborghini to sell another course. You know. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Zach took that small halt on QNRX. So I know I've been talking a lot and not trading, but I don't think I've seen Juan trades. The team wants to know if we can borrow your boat for a weekend. Bro, y'all come down to we be going down Market Omega's Cray. You ever seen him? No, I have not. Guys, I wish you guys could see this YouTube chat. Literally, I was saying I like all of you guys, and Kevin goes, "Does that include me?" And then Always Win said, "Yes, Kevin, but stop being a jackrabbit, bro." And then Kevin right after that goes, "I'm one of a kind, and I never said I'm rich. You did." Always Win goes, "There you go again, laugh my ass up, buddy. Who are you?" Oh God, bro, you're gonna make me laugh and pee myself and cry on stream, Kevin. You're so funny, bro. Today's kind of choppy. It was kind of choppy a little bit. Yeah, we've had a lot of momentum the last few days, so don't expect it. But so trades today. GRNA no opportunities. NV and NVC. We almost had a stab here at VWAP, but I wasn't feeling that confident on it. X score did nothing. SOPA, we had some trades. I was up green on this stock. I got to go back and look at my trades. Somewhere through this area, I got myself green, and then I think I tried another pivot play here and got caught up in that flush, which took out my win, but only down 13, so played it correctly, like share size. BRSH was my big win of the day. I think I traded this stock perfectly. I don't think I even took a red trade on the stock. Maybe I did towards the end, but I think everything was good on the stock. Almost. Actually, I did take a red trade. Sorry. My first trade was red. I got to go back and look at it now. I was down $300, $400. Now I remember, that's right. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Never mind. Scratch that. So even better. I'm happy about that. I got stuffed here and took a $392 loss. And for me to go back up to being 500 on this stock, that means I made $800, $900 back. That's good. $800 back on a less than a 50-cent move. That's awesome. Sense nothing. Staff kind of missed the play on staff, I guess. We could have looked somewhere in here at this flag. Could have taken some trades there, but I honestly missed it. And then that could have been the only play we missed, and FRG we missed as well. Amir sent it. Oh, come on, hold on. Kevin, if you're doing this to be funny, I like it, man. But don't be so negative and say like I told you so and all that stuff, man. I haven't kicked you out. Just be nice. I'm having a great time, lol. We missed a flag on QNRX. Let me see QNRX. QNRX, which flag? Sniper Trade's gonna head out for the day. Appreciate it. Wait, which flag on QNRX, Andres? Brad Rogers, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Kind of like that. I mean, that's a big flag, though. I would have. This is the plays that I say. I would have never bought down here. NVIV recovering. NVIV trying to get back up. Oh, downturn. Okay, okay. Okay. Vic B Trades is heading out. I might be calling it here again as well in like maybe 20, 30 minutes. Maybe less if I don't see anything. Only thing I see is an NVIV and I think unless something heats up, I was gonna say, and I think NVIV might be the possible setup, but you know the stock is risky, right? This stock is risky, so I want to be careful on it. And we've already had several flush attempts, right? Every time we get to this area, look at this nasty pullback, 3 candles. Look at this nasty flush, and look at this nasty flush. And where's the green candles at? All on the front side. But once it got to that level, flush, 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 right? So I'm being very, very cautious on this stock here. QNRX is live. Zach is out as well. Oh. Oh, you're out of that trade. That's right. Bro, Zach just pulled the John. Zach just pulled the John. Bro, you guys are killing it. I'm about to just hand the stream to one of you guys. I'm about to just hand the stream to one of you guys. You guys are the real deal. Good job. Everybody give the thumbs up now to Zach. What we did to John, we do it to Zach. What we do to John, we do it to Zach. OG, what the heck is OG? Pff, oh my god. NVIV keeps retesting downtrend. See, we are here, but we want to be closing on top of this side. And this is going to be two supports here now. If we get through this downtrend here, and then we get above this line here, we could start looking for supports here. Maybe small ads on this stock, right? All in this area here. If it starts bouncing off of this and takes small ads, we might get that move back up, right? Because that's double support. Support of this horizontal and support of this downtrend. Then it might look good. OG halted up. I can't recover. No, I was just about to ask you, ape traits. Dang it, man. That sucks. How did you delete it? You just meant to save it and click the wrong thing, or what happened? I guess you gotta trade good tomorrow. I guess you gotta redo it tomorrow. NVIV, look at this. Oh god, ape traits. You're a funny man, bro. so you accidentally deleted it twice. Sopa trying to reclaim VWAP. He accidentally deleted it twice. Jess Bronson's gonna head out. Appreciate it, Jess Bronson. You have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I might be heading out too. I'm satisfied with my profit of my trading today. I could make more if I stay here, but I think I'm satisfied with it. And it's been 2 hours. I have seen a lot of action later on, so this time I don't think I have anything to do. So if I start setting alerts and stuff starts triggering it, I might come back, right? But I'm not gonna come back and make another $500,000. I'll come back and trade it small share size. But we've had momentum the last week, 2 weeks in power hours. Something always gapped up $10 a share almost, right? So, but But yeah, guys, if you are trading Power Hour, I know I don't stream Power Hour. Maybe someday I will. I know Mercer's gonna start putting that little Power Hour with the yellow thing now. Sure, staff is curling the view up. Just saying. You're you're kidding, right? You're kidding. As soon as I say this, you guys name every stock possible in the world. Okay, so yeah, but if you guys are so probably not today. Okay, so if you guys are still trading, go over to my Discord. Let me post it again. I know Zach and Andres are always there. Mercer is always there. He had some stuff going on yesterday, so he wasn't there with you guys because I know Andres was like, hey, we're the two guys in here. Mercer's always there with you guys, but he had some stuff going on and he wasn't able to trade. But I don't know if he might have headed out today early too. Um, but hopefully he'll be good to trade with you guys pretty soon. But everybody on my Discord, I mean everybody on YouTube, here is my Discord link. If you guys are, I mean, I guess we can just go trade with Kevin. I bet he isn't calling it a day. True. Here's my Discord links for you guys, so you guys can go in there and trade there. If you're not on my Discord already. I know Andres and Zach were there yesterday, and that's where they called the play themselves to on QNRX for like a $7 gain on QNRX. They were both chatting in there. There goes NVIV. Hey, look at that. What I said it would do. Right here, right? Almost a break of both. Double support, and maybe get a nice pop. G. Wait, what's this first one? G, R, and Q. Have I not watched that one? What the heck, man? GR and Q straight up halted. 388 high. NVIV had a nice. GR and Q has a 1.3 million float. NVIV, we just had a nice volume stick on the way up. Now I'm looking to see if we get a pullback. Alright, Kevin, you take care, man. You have a good one. What a trap on SOPA. Yeah, that's why on SOPA, getting overview up, maybe, but also look left and look at the way the stock went down and look at the way it went up. Right? Look at that flush. Look at that flush. Look at that flush. And then candles up, grinds it, grinds it, grinds it. Maybe there's a nice volume candle there. It grinds it, but it rejects fast. It rejects fast, right? Pay attention to how the stock has been trading today and who's playing it more aggressive, the shorts or the buyers. Amir made his money back. There we go. GR and Q halted at 10:23 and it's 10:26. 10:23:22, so she'll be live at 28. Just gotta fix these small mistakes. There we go. There you go, Amir. There you go. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. You got it. Not figuring out. Realizing your mistakes is the first step to becoming profitable. That's good. Break even so far. That's good. Nerve is up here as well. Testing $4. Deck giving you a shout out. Awesome, awesome. Appreciate it. Wait, Lang, you have decks? Oh, Deck is in here now. What's up? What's up, Sean? What's up, Deck Mark Trades? We're all killing it, man. We're all killing it as a team together again. Look at our profits tab. All of us. My first mistake was my stop loss. Okay, okay. Nerve is heading to a high, but this stock has low volume, so I am not going to jump in on this trade here for a breakout. I'm gonna let it settle. And then NVIV, that entry there would have paid off, but this stock is risky, guys. Like I said, be careful with it. I think here comes here. I was gonna say I think here comes Deck Marks people. Here comes Deck Smart people. I see the first message and I'm like, holy crap! I already know. I already know. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome into the stream. Nate Trades, DXB Jamie, seen you here before. Anthony, Kevin, also known as that's a different Kevin. That's not my Kevin. I got it. Got it. How did everybody do today? How's everybody doing today? Guys, you guys, Dex people have like, these people are like on crack all the time, bro. These people are on crack all the time. It literally is like instead of taking like drinks in the morning, coffee, drink energies, They watch Sean and then they just get a boost of energy and these people are ready to trade and kill it. QRNX. QRNX new high. QRNX. For real, how's everybody's on Sean's group chat doing today? Profit wise, who's killing it today? I don't care if you're flexing it. Come in. I think they're at a real high. Post those profits. Post those profits, guys. We're all here at a trade cap. Oh, this stock resumed lower. GRNQ is my midday energy boost 6 hours. I joined the Discord, but I cannot send messages. On the Discord, did you click that check mark in the first thing? In the first message? Oh, wait. Wait. You're in the general chat, Ozzy. You're on the mic. I see you. You're on the mic chat. You gotta go to the server info tab here. Go to the server info tab and then scroll all the way down. You have to hit that check mark. Oh, you did hit it. Ozzy, you're right there. You should be good. So the stocks to keep watching might be GRNQ, and then how did QNRX do? I mean, this stock, I just do not see it making up a move to $30. Maybe not today. Maybe this stock is one like PGY, right? Maybe QNRX is one like PGY where it made that huge move, and then it held a low. It held a bottom. Look at this. It held a low, but it held a low for like a day or two, and then after that it ripped. And then after that it ripped. It wasn't day after day. Let me look at it. Yeah, look at this. This is what I'm looking at QNRX, right? Looks pretty similar. Made that first move that first day. Man, how do I remember some of these things? Having good memory and visuals is definitely helpful in trading. Look at this. Made that first move that first day, right? And then look at this. It consolidated sideways that whole next day. Sideways. And then consolidating. What is it doing? It's trapping shorts. Sniper trades is jumping in a trade. Hold on. It consolidated and taking out. It's accumulating shorts. Why? Because when it rips that next day, it's gonna rip higher, and then it might have done it again. Look at this. Did it again. Rips high, consolidates sideways the next day. Sideways, sideways, holds a low, and then again another run. And at this point, I mean, it was just taken off. Kind of did it again. Here, these 3 days, kind of did it again. Look at this consolidation. Rips, consolidates, doesn't make lower lows. Consolidates, rips. This is what I would be looking for QNRX, right? I'm not expecting a 2-day move. Wait. Was it QNRX? No, NVIV? No, it was QNRX. Yeah. So, that first move and consolidate sideways here. Hold this lows. Cut that quick, 339. Let's see, GRNQ. 351 inch. Oh, you got filled and instantly pulled back. That's okay. That's okay. You had a killer trade this morning. I'm looking at NVIV, and to me, it looks like a 5-minute pullback. I like NVIV, but risky stock. No, that has nothing to do with it, OZ. That has nothing to do with it. You should be able to, here goes GR and Q again. Highs 388. You should be able to send messages. John is in on GR and Q. Sniper Trades is in GR and Q. Stock is moving choppy-ish. That's for sure. But this candle right here for me has a lot of volume. Oh, okay. Andres added another $500 on that trade. Good job. And VIV pulling back again. And VIB, you guys like this 5-minute setup? Well, I like the setup, but I didn't jump in on it. Oh my gosh, Mikey just alerted. I saw it first, Mikey. I saw it first, bro. John is now up 115 on the day. Did it keep pulling up? It's kind of stuck at that 350. Haven't held 350 on GRNQ. OZ, you still can't send a message? It should not be because you're in a different country, man. It didn't fill you? Let me see. 1150. Dang, that sucks. And there was 110,000 shares traded there. But that was a nice little pullback. I saw it too, Zach. I saw it too. Right here. That could have been a good ad down here. I saw it, but it wasn't quick enough. I don't know what Jan is. OZ, let me know if you can send messages or not. GR and Q still going. GR and Q looking at $4, trying to get $4. The high is $3.89. I will say it's not. I figured it out. I can't get messages on my phone here, so I cannot confirm. I'll do when I get back home. I'll do my calls through Messenger and WhatsApp. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. And VIV. Zach, we both missed that, but we read it. That's the thing. That's the thing. We both missed this entry here, but we saw it happening, and we were going to jump in on it. And that's good. Now looking at this to break here. That's good. It hurts more than it wouldn't feel you. True. You're right. You're right. That does suck a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. We get the next one. We'll get the next one. HSCS from yesterday. Oh my god, bro. That stock has a lot to recover. Stock has a lot to recover. Dang, NVIV, man. We had it down at 11.50. It's up at 12.50, $1 a share. Let's look for a small scalp. Oh, you were looking at you were saying the stock Jan. Right now, I like NVIV now. If we can get a nice squeeze and get through this 1236. Oh my god, OZ. See y'all tomorrow. Good night. It's past midnight here. What the heck? GRNQ is stalling out, man. GRNQ is stalling out. I don't know why I just feel good, guys. I don't know why just the trading, and even though I took a big loss Tuesday, yesterday, today, and even Monday and the last week, finding these lower dips setups, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy with it. Sniper trades closing out a day of $2,000 profit, man. GRNQ paid you well. An extra $700 on there. I think you made. Good job. NVIV. NVIV. That was a nice setup here. Congrats, Sniper. Congrats. Little goat emoji. I think I'm gonna call it, guys. Who's banking me a wheat cake when NIVA hits 282? 282. It's not even close to 200%. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I didn't take any more trades at all. I called out a few trades that would have played out, and I just didn't take them, and that's okay. Called out this one here, and I called this one here that I was looking at. No trades for me then, but still a good day. If you're still trading, GRNQ might set up another flag right here under high of days and $4 test. But that 5 minute is throwing me off and volume is dying even though we're getting closer to $4. FRGE, we missed a very good play on this thing. This thing ripped $3-4. After these entries here would have paid good. HCSC, 1.63 float. This thing halted it. It's been more than 5 minutes. It's going to be a 10-minute halt. This is the one that ripped that first day too. I'm happy with my results, guys. I'm going to go ahead and call it. I'm happy with 500 bucks. Getting confidence back, trading good. I'm going to call it there and keep my profit and walk away. If I see something else later in the day, I'll probably jump in. But I forgot I do have to do some stuff today, but I'll be available during power hour. But I should be good, guys. So I'm going to head out. See you tomorrow. Nailed it today, guys. We all nailed it again. We all nailed it today. Zach again with a cool trade. John again with a nice halt up trade. Those are pretty cool to watch. Pretty happy to see you guys bank on those as well. And then I think we killed it on BRSH. I think some of these pivots on BRSH we nailed. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday, last day of the week, last day of the first week of August. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. If you guys want to chat, go to the Discord. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. 1 minute VPA is nice. Yep, I see it. Oh my God, and SOPA finally breakthrough VWAP. Alright guys, y'all have a good one, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys coming in and supporting. Any questions? I'm always in my Discord. I'm always here in the morning, so you guys know where to find me. See you. Peace out.